Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete Reels history on Facebook, and here's how it is done. First, open a web browser on any device. Go to myaccount.google.com and make sure you are signed into the Google account with the photos you want. At the top, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down to Data from apps and services you use. Tap the arrow to expand it, then scroll until you see Photos. Click the download button next to it. You will now be taken to takeout.google.com and Google Photos will already be selected for you. Click Next Step. Choose how you want to get your photos, either by email download link or save it to Drive, Dropbox, etc. Pick your file type. That zip is easiest. And the file size, if your photos are large, they will be split into smaller files. Click Create Export. It may take a few minutes or even a couple of hours, depending on how many photos and videos you have. Once it is ready, download them to your computer or phone, and you are all set. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete Reels history on Facebook. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.